Hello all, in this video we will see least recently used page replacement algorithm and it's working with the help of an example. So again consider a page reference string and we want to know how many page faults will occur for least recently used page replacement algorithm with 3 frames. Okay, so let me write this page reference string for you: 2 3 2 1 5 2 4 5 3 2 5 2. Okay, again we are given memory with 3 frames, so we want page number 1. There is a page fault, you take that page into main memory. As long as you have space you can utilize that space. We want page number 3, it is not there, so you take it into main memory, another page fault. Now you need page number 2, it is already there, so you use it, right? No page fault. We directly come to page number 1. Again we need page number 1, it is not there and we have free memory available, so we will take that page into main memory. Now the replacement will begin, right? Page replacement, and the algorithm is least recently used, right? The idea for least recently used is look into the past, right? You cannot look into the future, right? Hence optimal algorithm was difficult to implement, right? Least recently used algorithm says you cannot look into the future, but you can always look into the past, and the page which was least recently used in the past will be replaced. Okay, so you see now we want page number 5 and one of these 3 pages 2 3 1 shall be replaced. So look into the past, 1 is used here, 2 is used here, and 3 is used here. The least recently used page is 3, so we replace page number 3. So we get 2 5 1. Okay, then we need 2, it is already there, we use it, no page fault. Then we want page number 4. When we want page number 4 out of 2 5 1, the least recently used page, 2 is used here, 5 is used here, and 1 is used here, right? So 1 is the least recently used page out of 2 5 and 1. So what we do is we select 1 as victim and we take 4 into main memory. Then we need 5, it is already there, no page fault. Then when we need 3, page number 3, out of 2 5 4, 5 is used here, 4 is used here, and 2 is used here. The least recently used page is 2, right? So we replace 2 with 3, right? So we get 3 5 4, right? 2 is thrown out, 3 is taken in. Now we need page number 2 again, it's not there. So out of 3 5 4, out of 3 5 4, which page is least recently used? 3 is used here, 5 is used here, 4 is used here. The least recently used page is 4, right? So we replace 4, right? So now what we have is 3 5 2, right? Now we want page number 5 and 5 is already there. We want page number 2, it is already there, no page faults. So how many page faults you got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number of page faults with LRU, least recently used algorithm, is 7, right? And one important thing to note over here is Unix operating system uses this algorithm. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.